Okay, so what we have is a 943, part number 943, and a 965. And on the 965, one of the little ears is broke off. So, you know, this is just the parts one, and I'm going to use it to get for these washers and C-clips, because I'm going to rebuild this one. This is the one I believe to be the correct one for that 84 110. So first, we're gonna get these clips off. See if I can get them off without hooking my finger. One, and I want this little washer and the washer underneath it. It's supposed to be one under it anyway. One, two. That's the bottom washer. The bottom washer is larger. Take note of that. Okay, here's a little C-clip. Top washer. There, no bottom washer on that one. Alright, that's okay, because I think I have a, yeah, I got a bottom washer on this, but not on the other side. Alright, so jump. Shouldn't have bit my fingernails. Terrible, ain't it? I feel like TJ. Okay, that thing's actually thin, kind of bent a little bit. But it's okay. Put it on there. Then we're gonna take these two arms. They already got the springs on them. We're gonna try to skip all that headache. Slide them down. Okay. Top washers. Top washer. C-clip. See if I can line it up. That groove's a little lower. Oh, I'm trying to see. I don't think I'm gonna do that. There's one. There's two. Sometimes this white thing's spinning so many revolutions per second, minute, whatever. These have been known to come off, you know, mid-turn, and they'll fall in there and get between the rotor mag and that pulse generator and just gouge the walls up on it, chew it up, and sometimes even break the springs if they get a little further, and that's when you got to go looking for springs. So as far as I can remember, I believe you line the camshaft or cam pin up with the magnet, if I'm not mistaken. Slide this thing on here. There we go. Assembled. Now we need to install.